Hello my babes, welcome to Edwigealamode where I share all things fabulous. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is a skincare. You guys have really been asking me for this for a while, and yeah, I'm really excited to dive in and show you what I have been doing. I get tons of questions on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. So I think it's fair to say that this video is highly requested, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I do in the morning. If you want to see my nighttime routine as well, let me know. Comment down in the description box and I will do that for you. But my morning routine is really simple. I don't do too much because it's early and your skin just needs to wake up and breathe and all of that. But just to get my skin well moistured, I love for my skin to be hydrated. That's a very important step for me. So that's something that my morning skincare routine entails. I'm really excited to show you guys what I do to get that glowy skincare, because having a good skincare is a base for your makeup. It just ensures that your makeup will apply a lot more smoother, and it just makes life so much easier for you, because when I do my makeup I still want my skin to show, you know, and because I don't have a lot of problems, but I do have hyperpigmentation around here and like dark marks, which I'm still treating with some of the products that we have here. So without no further ado, let's get into it. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. My handle is at Edwigealamode. Follow me on TikTok where I share all things are fabulous too. All right my babes, let's get into it. I'm gonna play some mellow music and do the voiceovers. All right, peace out, let's go. To start off, I love to use this Dr. Barbara Sturm Dark Skin Toner Cleanser. This is really good for removing excess oils, makeup, pollution, sunscreen, all of that stuff, and serums from the night before. This really leaves my skin feeling super moisturized and hydrated without feeling dry. I love this milky Lancôme toner. It leaves my skin feeling super smooth, really soft. Again, it removes dirt and impurities from the skin. What is skincare without hyaluronic acid? I love this for that hydration and glowing skin. It's very important to treat your skin, and vitamin C is a key ingredient. As the sun is out, we are in the middle of spring. I love this toner because it really helps my skin to feel and look radiant. I love glowing skin, so this squalene and vitamin C Biossance oil is an essential part to my skincare because it really does add that hydration and glow to my skin without feeling greasy. It's time to give the under eye some love. I love this LMS Pro Collagen Eye Gel. It's really good for reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and adding brightness. What can I say about Fenty Skin Moisturizer. This is so good. It contains SPF 30. My skin loves this. It leaves my skin feeling super hydrated, really moisturized. It's a lightweight cream and it brightens dark spots. I love it so much. This mist literally adds magic to your skin. It helps with extra glowingness, extra hydration, which I love. Literally, I love to glow. Lastly, my babes, we are adding this Dior lip oil in Cherry. I just love that it adds a hint of color to my lips and it gives it a nice glossy finish without feeling greasy.